Okay, everyone, fire alarm companies need to make police versions of their products for police incidents. Every fire alarm company, like Simplex, Edwards EST, Wheelock, Gentex, all of the big name fire alarm manufacturers need to make police alarms as well. The only fire alarm manufacturer that makes a police alarm is System Sensor. And there should be a police version of all of the common pull stations in public buildings, like the EST 270 SPO, the Simplex T bar, and all of that. With the EST 270 SPO, it will have pull in case of police incidents, just like the fire version of that has pull in case of fire. On the handle, we have seen T-bars and the BG12 with the police versions of devices. We should have a police Edwards EST integrity, just like every single fire alarm device. We have, so we can remain safe from unfortunate school shootings or anything like that. If every fire alarm company can protect us from other threats than fires, then that would be great. Bye.